The Seller Hub can be accessed from the Sell link in the top navigation. The different sections of Seller Hub can be accessed from the navigation across the top. Overview gives you an overview of all the information in Seller Hub. For example, adding item specifics or posting labels and dispatching items. Gives an overview of your sales and your orders. Information about your listing, shortcuts, and here you have a summary of your current seller status. This current seller is a top rated seller, and that can be seen from the metrics. You can also see your monthly limits and your feedback. Here in the right hand corner there is an option to add additional information so you can configure the information you see on your Seller Hub. The Ordered section is where you can see the details of all your orders, both those that have been dispatched and those that are waiting to be dispatched. You can filter for the orders by their status, by the timescale, by username, and also by the item. You can also see details of cancellations, returns, and cases. Down at the bottom here you can set your return preferences. So for example, if we want to see items which are overdue, we can select overdue at the top here, and there's an item which is overdue since the 30th of April. And if we want to see details of returns, we can click on returns, and here we have the returns which are waiting. That one's been delivered, and you can see that a refund's been issued. And this one here, a return's been requested and it's waiting for the buyer to post the item. From the listing option, you can manage all your active listings and also see listings which have ended. You can filter by category, by listing format, and also the status. You can search by the item title and a range of other different attributes, such as the item ID and the item description. Down here you will see a list of results. There's some quick filters here to see items which should either have item specifics added to improve their searchability or could be promoted. Here on the left is some navigation. You can quickly filter by listing status, and you can also see your listing settings. This links to your listing settings in your account settings. The marketing section covers all your promotional activity on eBay. You have links to edit your eBay shop, details of any promotions you're running, and also links to create promoted listings. Performance gives details of the performance of your account. The first page is the summary, which gives a summary of your sales and also a summary of your traffic. You can see also your selling costs and your defect rate by regions. In the navigation here on the left hand side, you can see your seller level. This gives you details of your current eBay seller level. In this case the account is below standard, which is bad, and the reasons why your account is at this seller level. Sales in the navigation gives you a graph of your sales over time, and also a breakdown of your selling fees and a breakdown of your sales by listing. Traffic gives details of the traffic to your listings and also a breakdown of your organic listings versus your promoted listings. Here you can see a breakdown of traffic by listings. Service metrics gives details of the service you're giving to customers. Here Surface Metrics gives information on your returns. Here you can see the reason for your returns and your item details on your items not as described returns. The Payment tab gives a list of payments from eBay for sales and also payments to eBay for commission costs. So here in the summary we have the funds which are scheduled to be paid to this account, where the payments are going, and a list of recent transactions. If you click all transactions, you can see a detailed transaction view. Here it's got orders and bank payouts and also listing fees. The Payouts tab will give a list of the payments to a bank account. The Research tab allows you to search historical data from the eBay marketplace. You can search for keywords and see the historical sales on those keywords and the sale levels. We'll be going into this in more detail in a future lecture. The Report tab allows users to download details of their orders and their listings. You also have a link here to make bulk changes to orders and listings via an upload file. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.